In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your home or office on Strava by setting up a privacy zone. This is a simple way to protect your personal locations while keeping the rest of your activity maps and stats intact. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. From the bottom navigation bar, tap U in the bottom right. That takes you to your profile area, where all your personal settings live. In the top right corner, tap the small gear icon to open settings. This is where Strava groups everything related to your account, safety, and sharing preferences. Next, select Privacy Controls. These options help you decide who can see your activities and what parts of your data are visible. Scroll to the Additional Controls section and tap Map Visibility. This screen focuses specifically on what parts of your activity maps are shown to others. Now choose the option that says Hide the start and end points of activities that happen at a specific address. This feature creates a privacy zone around a location you choose, and it conceals the beginning and end of any activity that starts or finishes within that area. It's especially useful for your home, workplace, or any place you visit frequently. Enter the address you want to hide. As you type, pick the correct suggestion so the map locks onto the right spot. Take a moment to confirm the pin is exactly where you want it. Accuracy here ensures your privacy zone covers the intended location. Next, select the radius size for the zone. Choose a radius that comfortably covers your block or surrounding area without being unnecessarily large. In dense neighborhoods, a smaller radius often works well. In more open or rural areas, you might prefer a larger radius to ensure adequate coverage. Remember, this only hides the map portion near the address for people viewing your activities. Your total distance and stats remain the same, and you'll still see your full route when you view it privately. Once you're happy with the address and radius, tap Add. You'll see the zone appear on your map visibility screen, confirming it's active. From now on, when an activity starts or ends within that zone, the beginning and ending segments will be hidden from others. If you don't see map visibility, make sure your app is up to date. You can return here anytime to adjust the radius, edit the address, or remove the zone. That's it. Your sensitive locations are now protected while you keep sharing your adventures safely.